100 Clark Lake Road, Durham, North Carolina. A custom built 5,000 plus square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with an additional 1,000 plus square feet unfinished walk-in attic for future expansion or lots of storage. Right side with 2-car garage and a large workshop next to the garage on the interior. Rear patio and deck. Wraparound porch on the left side of the property. Living room with custom ceiling cabinetry. Kitchen with island, 2 dishwashers, cook plate. Dining room. Custom ceiling. Large pantry. Office or hobby room. Bedroom 4 with walk-in closet. Half bath with custom sink. 2-car garage, oversized. Connected to workshop. Downstairs laundry room with laundry chutes. Bedroom 2 on main floor. Full bath on bedroom 2, connected to bedroom 2 on the main floor. Tub shower combination. Walk-in closet for bedroom 2. Stairs to second floor. Bedroom 1, primary bedroom on second floor. Custom bench. His and her walk-in closets. Sitting area for bird viewing. His walk-in closet. Ensuite bath to primary bedroom. Walk-in shower. Jetted tub. Dual vanity. Laundry chutes to downstairs laundry. Large unfinished attic on second floor, walk-in. Hallway to bedroom 3 and second floor bath 2. Bedroom 3 on second floor, small sitting area, walk-in closet. Stairs to third floor with a children's climbing wall. Third floor rec room. Again, third floor rec room. And that is 100 Clark Lake Road, Durham, North Carolina.